All right, here I've got Bronzie, Natalie, and Olivia, and they're going to show you how to make a starburst. Lots of geometry, lots of different angles in this starburst. Girls, go ahead and tell us about it.
Okay, so we made a starburst, and there are a lot of cute angles in it. We kept this one on here so we could show what it's like and how you need to make it when it's on the loom, and then what it looks like when it's done. Bronzie?
Okay, what we did is we took all different kinds of bands and we kept just like wrapping them all the way down, and then we went back and we put stars on every single third little button in the middle. Okay, Natalie, you want to tell us about the family tree?
Did you use any quadrilaterals in making the starburst?
We used quadrilaterals in, I think, this one, I'm pretty sure.
Okay, what quadrilateral did you use?
I think we used the rectangle.
Okay, so Natalie, when you're explaining the family tree, tell us specifically about the rectangle. All right, thank you. So everything at the bottom of the tree relates to everything above it, correct?
Yes.
Because it has the same attributes.
At the bottom, sort of at the top, and at the bottom, looks like we have like some triangles right here. See if you can, like right here, and this one may be sort of hard to see. Right there.
Okay, tell me about that triangle at the bottom. That one's easy to see.
Yeah.
What kind of triangle is that?
That is a obtuse, I'm pretty sure.
Okay, it does have an obtuse angle. I see that. And it's got two sides that are the same and one that is different. So what kind of triangle is that?
Acute triangle.
Well, no, we said it was obtuse.
Isosceles.
Very good. Isosceles, obtuse. Good. All right, and you all said that all those starbursts have acute angles in them.
Yes.
We talked about the quadrilaterals that you used before you got to this point. Let's see. Do we have any parallel lines? A lot of groups had parallel lines going.
It looks like we have parallel lines, well, right in the stars, like right here, if you can see this yellow band and how it's...
And this one especially has a lot of parallel lines, because if you can look like really closely how the green like cuts off all the different colors on top, that is parallel.
So the orange is parallel to the blue?
Yes.
Right.
And some of our other bracelets, it looks like we have like little triangles maybe, like in the fishtail.
And in the original, there's like, just like, sort of like squares, I guess, if you could see that.
Yeah.
Okay. And look at these diagonal lines. See how this diagonal is parallel to this diagonal?
Yes.
And to this diagonal?
Yes.
And if you go the opposite way, this diagonal is parallel to this one and to this one.
And I especially like Olivia's ring that she has, because like it's a circle, and then you can come in here and it's the same pattern as this, the fishtail, and it does have like little triangles in it.
Yeah.
Well, and someone else did that same fishtail bracelet, and we talked about how they are almost triangles, but they don't have the bottom piece. So really they're non-polygons because they don't have three sides to them. But they do form that acute angle inside there, right?
Yeah, that's what we were talking about. We were like, well, it doesn't have the bottom yet, but it does have the acute at the top.
And this book is really good because when you first open it up, it like tells you this. And the next bracelet that we're gonna do the zippy chain. And
I wonder what kind of geometry is in that.
Here, let's turn back and see.
Well, this is what it looks like, and it looks like it has like sort of like a triangle right there,
Oh, it looks like obtuse angles.
and it looks like a diamond. If you could really see that.
Yeah, but what is the name for diamond?
A
What do,
trapezoid.
what do we say instead of diamond?
Rhombus.
Rhombus. Very good. Very good. I see that rhombus right there.
Yeah.
And we remember a rhombus has to have 4 sides that are what?
Parallel.
Well, the 2 opposite sides are parallel, but 4 sides that are congruent, equal. Good. And that looks like a very good one to make.
And this one is a great one too.
That one, yeah, I was looking at that one earlier. That one is called a diamond. Again, it should be called the rhombus, right?
Yeah.
Diamond's a bad word in 5th grade.
Looks like it has some parallel lines right in the diamond.
It does.
Yeah.
It's got overlapping rhombi.
Yeah, and here, let's flip back to the beginning and see what all the other bracelets look like when they're done. So, where's the zip?
Oh, and the butterfly blossom, that is a great one.
It's got someone in my first block made that, and it's got lots of hexagons on the loom itself when you're making it. A lot of these you can't see the geometry in the actual bracelet other than the angles, but you can see the geometry when it's on the loom. Okay.
And let's take a closer look at that. Let me see if I can find it.
Page 17. Right.
Okay. And it kind of looks like X's maybe.
Look at that hexagon. You see it?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, and like it shows you right here really well. And there's parallel lines.
Right there.
So the butterfly blossom is probably one of the more
Geometrical.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you, girls, for sharing all those different bracelets with us and all those geometrical terms. Olivia,
Stay in school.
Natalee, and Bronzie. Thank you, girls. See ya.